Welcome to Newport, Oregon, where our adventure begins at the Oregon Coast Aquarium. First stop, the sign. Time for the classic photo before the fun begins. These smiles say it all. They're ready to meet the sharks. You can feel the excitement building as we walk through the gates. Even the art here has an ocean message, made entirely from recycled materials. First stop, the glowing jellyfish, nature's slow motion fireworks. Even the marlin is built from ocean debris, art with a purpose. The kids turn into hermit crabs, and they might just stay this way. Next stop, the famous shark tunnel. Things are about to get fantastic. It's one of those moments where everyone just stops and stares, surrounded by sharks, rays, and schools of fish. A jaw-dropping photo op, literally, say cheese or chomp. Outside, the pelicans put on their own show while seabirds strut through their stuff. These seals are basically the comedians of the coast, always ready for their close-up. Sea otters remind us that life's better when you float, snack, and chill. Back inside, the jellyfish steal the show. It's like staring into another galaxy. Before heading out, we explore the gift shop because who can resist a stuffed otter? As the sun sets over Bikini Bay, we wrap up a perfect coastal day.